After Effects has had the same gradient ramp since forever, and it's bad. Drop it in on a layer and watch what happens. The middle, it's gray, it's muddy, it's dead, it's lifeless. This isn't a color transition, this is two colors taking turns dying. And unfortunately, every single type of gradient in After Effects uses this same style of meshing colors, and it just doesn't work. That's why I built Better Ramp. Better Ramp blends in a perceptual color space, so the colors stay vivid the whole way through. There's no mud, there's no gray, there's no dying colors. Saturated colors meet saturated colors. We've included opacity for the start and end colors as well. And in Radial mode, you have highlight length and angle, so your focal point can go exactly where you want it. Need a tighter fall off? There's a blend curve. Need to push that midpoint? Well, there's a bias slider. Exported to compressed footage and you're worried about banding? Well, there's built-in scatter. And if these amazingly bright, vivid colors are a little bit too much for you, you can dial that back with the Perceptual mix. And to top it all off, there's built-in blend modes. Blend it right onto footage, no using adjustment layers or other effect stacks. Just right here in the one effect. This is the same ramp effect you already know, but better in every way that matters. Better Ramp only available at Element Supply Company.